Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update the TikTok app and restart your phone to clear memory. Once done, open device settings and make sure camera and storage permissions are granted. Without permissions, photo mode cannot access files. If you use an app lock or restricted profile, disable it temporarily. Next, clear TikTok cache from the app settings to remove corrupted temporary data. Doing these steps first prevents common permission and cache causes and sets you up to test photo mode immediately. You now perform deeper fixes. Force stop TikTok and reopen because a clean process can reinitialize camera modules. If that doesn't work, clear app data but first backup drafts, clearing data reset settings that might block photo mode. Once cleared, reopen and try photo mode again. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure a fresh installation. This removes corrupted binaries. Make sure you sign back in and re-grant permissions. Then retest photo mode to confirm the repair. Finish by isolating environmental causes. Test photo mode on Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network-dependent loading, and try an alternate account or guest mode to see if your profile settings are the issue. If photo mode works elsewhere, adjust account settings or remove problematic plugins. If nothing helps, collect screenshots and app logs, then contact TikTok support with a clear description of steps taken and device details. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different device. If it works there, it's a local device issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.